Hello students, this is CA Pragnesh Kanabar presenting to you CA Final Fast Track course for May 22 in English language, 100% English language delivery. Okay, so quick details about the course because I know final CA students have a busy schedule. Books that you will be given for this particular course, 3 books. One book, it will contain your syllabus of standards in auditing, professional ethics and company audit. Standards in auditing, professional ethics and company audit, content book. The content will be presented in such a manner that everything of the ICAI syllabus will be covered, but in a reasonable amount of time. I'll come to the duration in just a couple of minutes. But do not worry, there is no cut short of the content, but yes, presentation is in a little bit different form. Like detailed paragraphs have been presented in chart form, table form, without compromising on the module language. We already had a fast track batch in Hindi with English, and there were more than successful 250 plus enrollments, and the students have given it a very good rating. This is the same batch coming up in English language. Stay connected, there is some discount flashing over here. Okay, so there is one more book where you will be having standards on auditing, professional ethics and company audit question bank. Correct. So one book, standards auditing, professional ethics, company audit, content, and another one for question bank. Now what we have noticed as per my experience now since so many years with final CA students, that small chapters of audit of banks, audit of insurance, then audit of public sector undertaking, tax audit, lots of topics, individual topics, which students don't give a lot of importance. But then in exams, all of them combined, around 10 to 12 topics, all of them combined, they have a weightage of around 35 to 40 marks. Some of these topics are asked, some of these topics are not asked, but we cannot compromise on this. The biggest mistake that students commit is that they leave these topics in option. That is why in order to present these topics in a proper manner, I have created one separate dedicated book only for such special audit assignments and other small topics, which will have the content as well as the question bank. All right. So the most concerned part of the student where they are worried that whether the professor is going to cover this or not, do not worry. We are going to cover it in great details. In fact, I have kept these discussions very much near to my regular course discussions only. Do not worry about it. The duration. Now my regular course, the regular course duration is 135 to 140 hours, whereas my fast track course duration is 80 hours. 80 to 83, nothing less than 80, but 80 to 83, that's the range. Now we see around 60% of the regular course number of hours. So is sir going to deduct the content? How sir has reduced the time? That is what I'm trying to tell you. That the content has been presented in such a manner. In fact, I have taken lots of time in drafting my fast track books rather than my regular course book, because I had to cut down on the time without compromising on the content. So the content has been presented in such a manner that it will be little faster without compromising on the ICAI syllabus coverage. Question bank discussion is a little faster than the regular course discussion. Whatever notes I make students write in the regular course, whatever notes I make them write, I dictate, I make them write, that work is already done in fast track. But I don't want students to completely not have the writing practice. That is why in my fast track book, you will find it in filling the blanks form, where lots of things have been already pre-typed by me and lots of things you are going to fill it up, so that you will also have the writing practice, but in a much faster manner. This is how we have reduced the time over here. In my regular course, the live lectures are recorded, so the interaction with the students, where I give them enough time to ask doubts, those doubts that they ask are also recorded. And that is why you see this duration. It's like the whole face-to-face coaching getting uploaded as regular course lecture. So that is why this duration difference is there. Do not worry. I am more worried about your results because my whole livelihood depends upon one subject. So without compromising on the content, in order to fast track your preparation, that is why you're looking at this video, right? The duration is of 80 hours. Nothing I'm going to hide from you. Do not worry about it. About test series. In my regular course, we have 8 unit test plus 1 prelim, because after every 5-6 lectures, whatever they have learned in those 5-6 lectures, we have a unit test of that. So that's a regular course. It goes on for a big time. Whereas in fast track batch, since students are very near to their exams, all right, and they have lots of subjects that they are worried about, after the whole course is over, you will be shared one prelim paper, and this prelim paper is personally checked by me. So of course, test writing is important, but you don't have time to write too many tests. So you can give one prelim after the preparation and finish it off. All right. What about doubt solving? In my app, because you will be given access to my mobile app. In my app, there is a chat box which you can use for asking doubts. Secondly, every week, there are 2 to 3 doubt solving sessions. You can join those doubt solving sessions, live Zoom sessions, doubt solving sessions, and you can interact with me. All right, so you will get all the personal touch that is required. These lectures are being recorded as of now, and the delivery of these lectures will be by 5th January 2022. The delivery of these lectures will be by this date that we are committing it to you. All right, already more than 40% of the recording has been done, and more recording is going on as of now when you are seeing this video. Okay, I hope that you are seeing this video before 5th January. So currently you can pre-book this batch, and for that you are getting an amazing discount of 1000 rupees. All right, whatever money saved is money earned. My normal fees for fast track is 6,750 rupees, all inclusive. Oh my God, look at this fees and stuff. Look at the duration, look at the test series, look at the number of hard copy books that you are getting, and this is all inclusive. I don't want to play a game with you like students 5,000 plus tax plus courier charges. No, this is all inclusive. All right, 6750. The books get delivered at your home, as simple as that, including GST, payment gateway charges, everything is included in this. But if you pre-book as of now, then the fees will be 5750. The logic is very simple. All right, earlier the better for you, and you are trusting me. That trust should count for something. All right, so the fees will be 5750, and you will be getting a discount of 1000 rupees. All right, so students, this is the whole explanation about how the fast track batch is going to run. It is an amazing product if you want to fast track your preparations without compromising on the quality of your marks. For any queries, you can call on this number. You want to get the queries personally solved by me. If you have some doubts, you can ask my team manager to connect you with me. But my team manager is going to solve all your queries. Don't worry about it. If I'm not available on call, you can use the chat box and have a word with me. All right, but do not worry at all. Your career is secured over here. No one is going to cheat you. No one is going to compromise with your career, because that itself affects my livelihood. All the best. Stay connected. All the very best. Thank you.